everybody, and happy Saturday. It's Saturday afternoon. I'm hosting an open house here in Durbin Crossing. I wanted to go live a little bit earlier. My open house was supposed to start at noon, and I wanted to get on here before then to give people a tour, but when I showed up at about 20 off, there were already people waiting in the driveway for me. So I had a nice chat with those people, showed them around a little bit, and as soon as they left, someone else came. So now, in between visitors, I thought I would give you a quick tour of this house. Hold on. So it's in Durbin Crossing North. The view out the back is of a pond. This is looking out the family room window. This home is zoned for St. Johns County Schools, the K through 8 Patriot Oaks Academy and Creekside High School. And take a look at this kitchen. Isn't this pretty? Beautiful, beautiful house, very nicely maintained. These are the original owners, bought the house in 2009, and they have taken such great care of the home, and it shows. They even, in preparation for listing it, they put in new landscaping rocks and had the home professionally cleaned, and they did so much just to get it ready for you, even though it didn't need a whole lot. So I would love it if you would stop by. I will be here for a couple of more hours, but I can come back anytime. I actually don't live far away from here, and I can run up here at any point. The home is vacant and ready to move in. If you made an offer this week or this weekend, you could actually be in as quickly as your lender can get you ready. If your lender can get you in here, get your loan approved in 21 days, then you could be living here right around Labor Day. If your lender can't do that, I have a lender who can. I'd be happy to send you their information. So stop by and see me or give me a call. I would love to show you this beautiful house. Hope you're having a great weekend. Bye.